Hello everybody, Okami MCPE here, and today I'll be working with the butterfly knife. But before that, I'm just practicing editing skills, so I'm just gonna. Oh snap! You guys saw that? All right. So today I'm just going to be index rollover. It's a struggle of mine, and it's something that I can keep on working on until I do it at least 3 times in a video. It's just a short update. But yeah, sorry for missing 2 days. I guess we'll start going slow first, just over the finger, around. It closes it. I want to know how to just keep it open afterwards, like you twist it around like that, or something. I don't know. So like when it goes over and around to this part of your hand, you just flip it and go like that. That's what I'm gonna do. Okami out.